Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make frozen gummy bears with Mountain Dew. First, gather your supplies: a bag of gummy bears, a bottle of Mountain Dew, and a freezer-safe container. An ice cube tray works perfectly for individual servings. Make sure your container is clean and dry before you begin. This simple method will transform your favorite candy into a refreshing treat. Next, carefully place your gummy bears into the freezer-safe container. Arrange them in a single layer if possible to ensure even soaking. Now, pour Mountain Dew over the gummies, making sure they are completely covered. The amount of soda will depend on your container size and the quantity of gummies. Let them soak in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight for best results. Once your gummy bears have soaked up all that Mountain Dew goodness, it's time to freeze them. Carefully transfer the container to your freezer. Allow them to freeze for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until they are completely solid. The freezing time might vary depending on your freezer's temperature and the size of your container. You'll know they are ready when they are firm to the touch. Now for the best part: enjoying your delicious frozen Mountain Dew gummy bears. They make a fantastic, refreshing treat, especially on a warm day. You can serve them as a fun dessert or a unique snack. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the freezer for future enjoyment. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.